Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 11.1 problems. So before starting this class, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right now and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any new videos, and also do share it out with your friends. Third question, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So let's solve this problem. Solution. First let us draw the right angle triangle ABC. This is right angle triangle A, B, C, which is right angled at angle B. Here we are going to calculate the value of cos and tan with respect to angle A. So this is angle A. Okay. The side opposite to this angle A is BC. So this is the opposite side. Okay. And the longest side of the right angle triangle ABC is AC. So this is the hypotenuse side. And the last one, the remaining side is adjacent side. Okay. Next, here they have given the value of sin A. Given sin A is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. We know that the definition of sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. That is opposite by hypotenuse. Hence, the opposite side is having the value 3. That is the value of BC is 3 centimeter. And the value of hypotenuse is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the value of the side AB. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we have Pythagoras theorem is stated as the hypotenuse square, that is AC. AC is the hypotenuse, hence AC square is equal to the sum of the squares of the two sides of the right angle triangle, that is AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. The value of AC is 4 centimeter, that is 4 square. The value of AB is unknown, that is we have to find the value of AB. So write AB as it is, and the value of BC is 3, that is 3 square. The value of 4 square is 16 is equal to AB square. The value of 3 square is 9. Now AB square is equal to, now let us shift the value, now let us shift this plus 9 to the left hand side, that is 16. When we shift this plus 9 to the left hand side, this plus 9 will become minus 9, that is minus 9. That is AB square is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. If AB square is equal to 7, then AB is equal to root 7 centimeter. That is the side AB value is root 7. Root 7. Now we have to find out the value of cos A. Cos A. The definition of cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. The adjacent side is this one, that is AB. Hypotenuse side is AC. The adjacent side, the value of AB is root 7 divided by the value of AC is 4. Hence root 7 by 4 is the value of cos A. Then we have to find out the value of tan A. The definition of tan A is opposite by adjacent. The opposite side is BC. And the adjacent side is AB. So the value of BC is 3 centimeter. 3 divided by the value of AB is root 7. So 3 by root 7 is the value of tan A. So this is the answer. Fourth question, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. So let's solve this problem. Solution. Given data, is 15 cot A is equal to 8. When we shift this numerical value 15 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. That is cot A is equal to 8 divided by this 15. Okay. Now let us draw the right angle triangle. A, B, C, which is right angled at angle B. Now the definition of cot A is adjacent by opposite. Before that, here we have to find out the value of sin A and secant A with respect to angle A. So this is angle A. The side opposite to this angle A is BC. So this is the opposite side. And the longest side of the right angle triangle is AC. So this is the hypotenuse. And the remaining side is adjacent. Then cot A is equal to 8 by 15. The definition of cot A is adjacent by opposite. The adjacent side is AB. So the side AB has 8 centimeter and opposite side has 15 centimeter. That is BC is equal to 15 centimeter. So write BC. So AB is equal to 8 centimeter and this BC has 15 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value of AC. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the value of AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem is stated as the hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides of the right angle triangle, that is AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. The value of AC is unknown. That is, we have to find out the value of AC. So we have to write AC as it is. Then the value of AB is 8. That is 8 square plus the value of BC is 15 centimeter. That is 15 square. This implies AC square is equal to the value of 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225. That is AC square is equal to, adding 225 and 64, we get 289. Then if AC square is equal to 289, then AC is equal to root 289. That is, the value of root 289 is 17. That is, AC is equal to 17 centimeter. So the hypotenuse side is 17 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value of sin A and secant A. So sin A is equal to, the definition of sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So the value of BC is 15 centimeter and the value of AC is 17 centimeter. That is, 15 by 17 is the value of sin A. Then we have to find out the value of secant A. Secant A. The definition of secant A is hypotenuse by adjacent. That is, the hypotenuse is AC. AC by adjacent side is AB. AB. The value of AC is 17. Next, the value of AB is 8. That is, 17 by 8 is the value of secant A. This is the answer.